To be spiritually conscious is the core dimension of the St. Mary's Senior Secondary School's vision of His countless blessings. We are here to spell out words of thanks to all those who made this evening's cultural program Festin Obeats 2023 a sweet memory to carry home.
Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the other virtues. We deem it a proud privilege to stand before you to place on record the contribution of every noble heart towards the success of today's evening program. We wish to raise our hearts in gratitude and thank Almighty for blessing us all with this delightful evening. We wish to express gratitude to Jawaharlal Rajput, MLA of Garotha, for being with us. Your gracious presence and gentle words of appreciation is a source of encouragement for all of us. We wish you all the very success in your future endeavors. Thank you, dear sir. From the depth of hearts, we thank our guest, Mr. Uday Lohari, and the guests of honor, Reverend Father Thashish Brito, Vicar General of Jhansi Diocese, and Reverend Father Ronald Tellis, Chancellor of Jhansi Diocese, for all words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you, and we thank you for being with us today.
Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it. I extend a heartfelt thanks to dear Reverend Father Peter Sylvester and Reverend Father Frankie Matthias for sparing time from their busy schedule to grace this occasion.
We place on record the goodness of the dignitaries from various official departments. We thank them for their wholehearted cooperation. We also take this opportunity to thank all the priests and sisters from various institutions for their silent support and unspoken words of encouragement. Our sincere gratitude goes to all our parents and well-wishers. Thank you for the solid support, and without your cooperation, this program would not have been possible.
We wholeheartedly thank our dear Principal, Reverend Father Melvin D'Souza, and the Vice Principal, Reverend Father P. Lawrence, from the depth of our hearts for their periodically monitoring and unfailing support. Thank you, dear fathers, for your support and your guidance. With a deep sense of appreciation, we recall the efforts of our dear loving teachers. Your day of hard work did bear much fruit today. We thank you wholeheartedly for your stewardship. We also place on record our deep sense of appreciation to all our non-teaching staff for their involvement and willingness to take on completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. Our sincere thanks to the photographer, Mr. Edgar, and his team. Hi-Fi, Lucky Light and Sound by Mr. Kuljeet from Jhansi, and for the beautiful tent from Toffee Tent House Gursrai, who added colors, festivity to this evening event. Finally, we thank all the students of St. Mary's Senior Secondary School for the cute and mesmerizing performance on stage. You really lift up the audience off their feet. Hats off to all of you, dear friends.
यहाँ आए हुए सभी पत्रकार बंधुओं को हम तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। आज आपकी गरिमामय उपस्थिति ने हम सबका मनोबल बढ़ाया और हम बच्चों का प्रोत्साहन किया। धन्यवाद।
Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude, and gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. Yes, once again we thank each and everyone present here, and to all our collaborators, parents and teachers for their commitment and cooperation towards the building up of this great temple of learning. May God continue to bless all of us. Thank you.